changes are possible in the warned area. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Mustang and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, golf ball-size hail is expected with this storm. Straight-line winds of 90 miles an hour have been reported with this storm. Locations impacted include Moore, Mustang, and Newcastle. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.